Okay, bestie, today's card is giving soulmate vibes. Romantic, friendship, or you're finally being nice to yourself. Two of Cups. Cue the bird chirps and the smile on your heart. This is mutual energy, equal effort, balanced give and take, like nobody's guessing, nobody's chasing, and communication isn't powered by vibes and anxiety. Healthy connection feels safe, clear, and reciprocal. The Two of Cups asks you to check alignment. Are you meeting each other in the middle, or are you doing all the emotional labor? Small but mighty move for today. Choose one relationship, including the one with yourself, and offer a clear, grounded gesture. Send a text. Say thank you. Ask for what you need, or set one honest boundary. Connection thrives on clarity, period. Subscribe for more intuitive wisdom tarot. Take what resonates, leave the rest. Hydrate, unclench your jaw, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.